Hello, the topic of my presentation is silver nanoparticle synthesis from citrus peel. Myself, Dr. Banti Ganguly, Assistant Professor from Department of Chemistry, BBM College, Agartala. Now, the introduction. Nanotechnology is a technology which deals with the nanoscale materials having the diameter of 1 to 100 nanometers with their applications. Generally, physical and chemical methods provide many popularity and demanded of the synthesis of nanoparticle. But in generally, the green method is rather clean, toxic-free method. The greener method have been used with less hazardous, light and safe methods, while their biomolecules from the various plant components have been used as a potential agent for the silver nanoparticle synthesis. These plant materials have a secondary metabolites like flavonoids, alkaloids, phenolic acid and terpenoids, which helps in the reduction of nanoparticles. Thus, the present article represents the synthesis of the silver nanoparticle from the citrus peel. Now the objectives. First, to synthesize the nanoparticles of silver from the citrus fruit peel. Next, to characterize this silver nanoparticle using UV visible spectroscopy, IR spectroscopy. Thus, next step is to discuss the application of the silver nanoparticle. The greener synthesis required for the silver nanoparticle is the silver metal ion solution and the reducing biological agent. In most of the cases, the reducing agent or the other constituent present in the cell act as a stabilizing and capping agent. So there is no need of adding or capping agent from outside. This is the most important point for the green nanoparticle synthesis. Next, the silver ions, which are the primary requirement of the synthesis of silver nanoparticles, they can be obtained from various water soluble salts of silver. The aqueous silver nitrate solution with silver ion concentration have been used with the range of 0.1 to 10 nanometer scale, millimeter scale, and have been used by the major of the researchers. Now the procedure. The peels which are obtained from the citrus fruit is washed thoroughly with the tap water to remove the dirt and is washed again with the distilled water and dried in the oven for 40 degrees Celsius. All the peels are grounded in the fine powder using the blender and stored in the room temperature for further use. Next, the extract is prepared using the 0.5 gram of the fine powder with 20 ml of distilled water and boiled at 60 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. The extract was filtered using the Whatman filter paper. In the conical flask, next, these peel extract of 20 milliliter was reacted with 10 millimole of silver nitrate solution at a room temperature under static condition. We can see the color change of the reactions and the time taken for this change has been noted. The solution of the color immediately changes from pale brown to the purple color, indicating the formation of silver citrus fruit nanoparticle, and these emulsion were kept at 4 degrees Celsius. This is the characterization method where we have used the UV visible spectrophotometer. This is the absorption curve, and we can see this blue line is for the UV visible spectroscopy of the citrus fruit which we have used its solution. And when this is added with the silver ion, there is a sharp increase in the peak at 546 nanometer with the change in the color. So we can see this color change very easily. Thus, concluding my work is that The extract demonstrate the properties of both reducing and stabilizing agent due to the presence of different compounds in the citrate food. The synthesis of silver nanoparticle have been potential application is biomedical and also have the non-toxicity which is crucial for the synthesis of such nanoparticles in the Grignard method. The plant they take full advantages of reusing the unwanted waste material which is economically friendly, efficient and safe. So I conclude my work and thank you.